Hi everyone, this is Mike with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most useful and versatile Excel tools out there. Today, I'm excited to introduce a tool that will save you time, effort, and hassle. It's a tool that helps you get address from latitude and longitude in just a matter of minutes. This tool is designed to make life easier by converting latitude and longitude coordinates into physical addresses quickly and accurately without leaving your Excel spreadsheet. We've been building Excel tools for over 16 years, helping more than 7,500 happy customers across the globe streamline their workflows. Every week, we get emails from users sharing how much our tools have simplified their tasks, reduced errors, and made them more efficient. On top of that, we have over 120 5-star Google reviews from satisfied clients. Feel free to check those out to see how our tools have made a difference. Now that we've got that out of the way, let me show you how this tool works. The Get Address from Latitude and Longitude tool, also known as the reverse Geocoder, is built entirely in Excel, so there's nothing to install. Just download the tool from the link in the description, and you're ready to go. Here's how easy it is. 1. Paste your latitude and longitude coordinates into columns A and B. 2. Click the Run button. 3. The tool automatically generates street, city, state, and zip code. It's that simple. The best part? This tool works for addresses worldwide, not just in the US. With one click, you can convert thousands of coordinates into addresses, saving hours of manual work. This tool has been used by real estate professionals to quickly find property addresses using GPS data, delivery and logistics teams to match delivery points with accurate addresses, data analysts to convert location data for mapping or reporting, anyone working with location data. If you've got latitude and longitude, this tool will handle it. What sets us apart is our commitment to customer support. If you have any questions about the tool or need help, reach out anytime. You'll find our contact details, including our phone number and email, in the video description. And we'll also flash them on the screen here. If you need any additional customizations or have specific requirements, let us know. We've built hundreds of custom tools for small to medium-sized businesses and would be happy to tailor a solution for you. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest tools. Until next time, happy converting.